come out here, there's not supposed to be any wind, and there's like wind. I didn't bring my motor today because I'm fishing with Matty and he's bought his little kayak, paddle kayak, and I thought, well, no. I just had 2 hits, but the drift rate, I was drifting too quickly to, I don't think it was big, whatever it was. You had any more? I know. Yeah, I got my stakeout pole, but yeah, there's plenty of fish here though. Just while we've still got the change of the tide, I'm going to go fish that jetty over there. Yeah, we're probably... Tide change was about 40 minutes ago. It must be hard. You're on. Oh, it's running. Watch your drag there. Is it pull and drag? You want to be. Oh, it's running. Hey? It's got to be something. It's pulling harder than a flatty should be at this point. Unless it's big. What size line you got, dude? 6. There you go. Oh, there he is. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Salmon. No, tailor.
Yeah. Decent tailor too. Nice fish. Nice fish. Running close to 50. You reckon? You want measuring? No. I got a few photos of you. Yeah. Let's go find a windless spot. What do you reckon? Something's chasing all the bait fish, so straight away. Straight away. You beauty. Little chopper. Getting hammered by little choppers. I need to get him in before I lose that fucking lure to him. Because he's choppered it. I think I might have scared them off. No, I haven't. Alright, you little bugger. Yeah, definitely. Oh, he got that hard. Oh, he got that hard. He come out of nowhere and got that. I don't know if you saw it in the camera. Definitely a tailor, this one. It's probably about the same size as Matt's. Oh, he's just disgorged all the fry that he's been eating. Just net him, Bill. Stop mucking around. Sometimes you just need to do it. There we go. That was actually easy when I net him. Less of an issue. And when you don't stop mucking around. Feels like maybe a flatty. No, it's not. Settle, buddy, and I will de-hook you. You won't go anywhere quickly, will you? There. You've got all three trebles and the line buried in there. Dude, I don't know what you were thinking, but you weren't thinking clearly about this. You were friggin' hungry, weren't you? So you got two of the trebles in there, have you? Let's see what we can do. They're buried. I was about to get stuck in one. There we go. Little chopper. I got a snag right near me. Stay out of the tree, mate. Oh, it's a... I think it's a... Oh. It's a Trevor, by the looks of it. It's actually like a cock and a sock, but anyway. He's off. Oh. Nice Flatty. Nice Flatty. He'd be mid-40s easy. And he's saw me. I'd be mid to low 40s, I'd say. He looked big when I first saw him. Okay, mate, you had enough? You had enough? Can we, No, you're going to thrash around a bit, are you? Fucking stop being spastic, eh? Thank you. Squeak. I'm gonna have to fix that. I keep saying I'm gonna fix it. I thought I had. Obviously I haven't. Oh. Given on current prices, there's a good chance there's about $30 worth of flathead tails sitting here. So the old Kayak's getting pretty fucked up. We'll let you go, buddy. See you later. Nice to come and play. 2 cameras. So I've just seen Matty off, had a nice cold drink, and I'm heading back out. And what my intention is I'm going to fish that shoreline over that side there. Never done it. There's a couple of boat holes down there. Give that a go. Done pretty well today, and it is only 1:15. Matty was hasn't been well, so he was pretty much done to drive back. So he's got a 2.25 hour drive back home. So he's going to do that, and I'm going to continue pretty much until I get blown off the water, I think. I'm hopeful that the wind dies off, actually. Something was chasing the bait over there, and I just threw this lure in at the back of it, and I'm onto a decent flatty, I suspect, by the way it feels. Oh yeah, this is a cracking flatty. This one's got to be measured. Got to get it in the net before I lose it. Oh man, that's a decent fish. That is a decent fish. Wow, check the size of the head on it. Man, it's swallowed that lure big time. So that is just on 70 centimetres.